Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to go through one of the most differentiating factors of the Yellow.ai platform, which is enabling voice conversations end to end on telephony systems, on production environment in multiple languages. To start off with, we wanted to showcase an example call. This is for a customer in the pharma industry where the call has been scaling quite drastically. And this is with one of the female voices which we have developed.
Thank you for calling Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. My name is Mia. I am a registered pharmacist. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today? May I please get your first and last name?
Jane,
Hi, Jane. Can you please provide a good phone number to reach you at in case we get disconnected?
73382683999.
Thank you. How may I help you today?
I want to know about Habitrol patches.
I would be glad to assist you. First, I would like to verify the product in question. Can you please provide the NDC number?
Where would I find it?
You will find it at the front top right-hand corner of the box.
Okay, so the NDC number is 555115556.
Thank you. Can you please provide the lot number located on the bottom of the box right next to the expiration date?
Sure, it is 6013266611.
Thank you very much for that. Now, would you be able to provide how many cigarettes you are smoking every day?
I smoke 20 cigarettes a day.
If you are smoking 20 cigarettes a day, per product information, you would need to start on step 1, 21 milligrams. You will use it for 4 weeks. After you finish step 1, you can start step 2, 14 milligrams for 2 weeks, and then finally, you will use step 3, 7 milligrams for another 2 weeks. That is 8 weeks in total to complete your therapy.
So as you can see, the voice call essentially can handle contextual questions in between in the conversation. It can understand entities really, really well. It can parse them out in a natural language very easily. This happens through our boosted framework, which we have built for enhancing certain types of entities. And the overall conversation is end-to-end handled by the bot itself with integration to backend systems. So configuration of voice bots can essentially happen in the same workflow builder which we have built for a no-code bot building. Additionally, what comes in is when for any flow which has been defined, if there are multiple channels which have been connected to a bot, the configuration of each channel can be done separately, where I can essentially for voice, I can specify if I have to disconnect a call at this point of time, can configure the speed, what type of text am I using? Is it SSML? Is it text? If let's say if I want to forward this call at this point of time, or if I'm capturing input, I also want to give a DTMF option. All of this essentially can be configured on a voice specific UI. Now, when it comes to training, the same NLU engine can be used for voice-based trainings as well. One of the things which we provide additional with voice bots is the whole voice settings. So I can configure the languages, the type of text, the voice which I'm going to use, the pitch. All of this output and input parameters can be configured right onto the UI. And with boost traces, which we saw being used in the voice example, certain entities were boosted to get that higher accuracy. Again, this configuration is available right on the no-code interface. Same way, the way intents are identified. Similarly, the voice entities can also be identified in a similar manner, where a couple of more examples could be given of how voice entities work. Now, when voice parsing happens essentially for intents and entities, we also use the acoustic model, which is built in-house to map certain intents and entities with the way the words sound to make sure the accuracy increases much more drastically. Finally, moving on to handling some out-of-the-box responses, we essentially have this whole context management engine available, where in between any conversation, users can ask for actionable things in terms of, let's say, reducing the speed or repeating sentences. So all of this essentially comes out of the box, as you can see here, and the response could be configured. So in this case, when someone says repeat, or can you repeat that, the repeat trigger is triggered from here, and the previous voice will essentially get repeated. You also have the pre-built intents for speaking slowly. So if users feel that the voice bot is talking much faster, it can essentially say and get that speed reduced just for that particular piece of conversation. Apart from that, we also have a lot of contextual handling in terms of by, greetings, help, when users ask for how type of questions. All of this essentially could be used for the configuration of voice bots. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this gave you view into how voice bots can be configured through the Yellow.ai platform and scaled through that as well. Thank you.